I was asked to write a carol for a new collection called The Nativity Star, which is published by Cadenza Music, and the idea was that they wanted to attach each carol to a specific choir. So, being a Manchester-based composer, the obvious thing, as far as I was concerned, was to attach it to the Manchester Chamber Choir, and I'm very happy that that's happened, because they're a very fine choir. The text is everything, if it's a piece of choral music. Fortuitously, it was one of those occasions when I happened to sit down one morning and virtually wrote the whole carol in one sitting. What I wanted to try to do was try to create that kind of relationship to the words and the music where you feel there's an undercurrent going on.